At last.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama, currently ranked 130 on CoinMarketCap. Kusama is trading above $32. Kusama is down bad in its first full crypto bear market, currently down 81.6% on a yearly time frame. The altcoin season index is telling us to accumulate altcoins right now. We're heavily in Bitcoin month. In this video, we're taking a look at the Kusama US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Kusama has dropped to as low as $22 in this bear market. But we've also seen Kusama trade as high as $585 in the bull market. So how high can Kusama pump to in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll also take a peek at Kusama's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll take a look at Kusama's market cap, which currently sits around $278 million. We have seen Kusama's market cap get to as high as $5.1 billion in the bull market. How high are we going to go if we get that bear market alt season coming in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Altcoins are down bad in the bear market. That's to be expected. A lot of altcoins are down 80, 90. Some altcoins are even down more than 95% in the last 1 year. Kusama has been holding strong in the last 1 month. We've seen it even get a 3.3% pump to the upside. Bitcoin has been flexing its muscle in the market. Bitcoin is up more than 33% in the last 1 month. Altcoins have been holding strong. Altcoins have been waiting for Bitcoin to show us the way. And this Bitcoin rally have seen altcoins go sideways since February of 2023. Even though we started the year on a very bright note where we saw Kusama rally up by more than 110% to the upside, altcoins have been moving sideways since February of 2023, waiting for Bitcoin to show us the way. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has been pumping to higher prices. We have seen Bitcoin starting the year trading around $16,000. Right now, Bitcoin is currently trading above $28,000, even touching $29,500 at some point in time. Bitcoin is up more than 70% on the yearly time frame. All coins are waiting for Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is done rallying to the upside, we will see capital flowing back into the altcoin market. Guys, capital in the crypto market flows between Bitcoin and altcoins. When we see Bitcoin rallying, pumping alone, leaving the market in dust, we should just know that in the coming days and the coming weeks, when altcoins start joining Bitcoin, we might see Bitcoin going sideways while the rest of the altcoin market will catch up to Bitcoin. Now, if we see the rest of the altcoin market catching up to Bitcoin and we see altcoins like Kusama pumping to higher prices, how high can Kusama go in the coming days and in the coming weeks if we get a bear market alt season? First level we should pay close attention to will be that $47.9 level. We saw Kusama rallying that high in February of 2023, but that was where we got rejected, and right now Kusama is trading around $32. If we can rally above that $47 region, we might just see Kusama rallying to the highest price we have seen since August of 2022, when it was trading around the $68 region. For Kusama to rally to that $68 region, Kusama will have to pump by more than 100% to the upside. And best case scenario for Kusama in this bear market rally, if we continue to the upside, if we see a bear market alt season happening, we might see Kusama go above $100, hitting 3 digits, maybe even getting to as high as $120. But for Kusama to rally to the $120 region, Kusama will have to pump by more than 265% to the upside. Altcoins can be very volatile that way. Kusama is going through its first full crypto bear market. We have seen Kusama during the bull run rally up to higher prices, going from as low as $1 pumping to as high as $619, rallying by more than 60,000% to the upside. And that's why Kusama has dumped heavily in this first full crypto bear market. We have seen Kusama go from as high as $600. We have seen Kusama drop to as low as $22, losing more than 96% of its value in the process. So if Kusama is going to rally to that $120 region, that will mean the retracement for Kusama in this bear market rally would have seen it gone up by more than 400%. Guys, yes, we're going to see Kusama pump to new all-time highs at some point in time in the future, but let's not get carried away. We're still deep in the crypto bear market, and deep in the crypto bear market, yes, we're going to get some rallies to the upside. Yes, we're going to also get some pumps to the upside, but we might also get some dumps to the downside again. Bear markets are designed to get you to buy higher and for you to sell lower when you're supposed to be doing the opposite of that. Guys, deep in the bear market is where you get good value for your money. Deep in the bear market, there's extreme fear in the altcoin market. People are scared to touch altcoins, but that's when you should be getting ready to get your first 10x, 20x, even your first 100x altcoins that will pump to the moon. It's in the bear market you get coins that are down 90%. It's deep in the bear market you see coins that traded for $600 trading around $32. If Kusama is going to rally back to its previous all-time high, we'll have to see Kusama rally up by more than 1,600%. That would have taken Kusama up by 17x. But for you to enjoy all those pumps to the upside, you have to survive the bear market. And the bear market, you have to accumulate, getting ready for that next crypto bull run. One mistake to avoid, guys, don't go all in too quickly. Please, if you're accumulating in this bear market, always keep some capital on the side. There will be different opportunities that will come your way in the bear market. We can easily even see Kusama dumping to new lows. Best case scenario, coming back to the $22 level. If you don't have some capital on the side, you won't be able to take advantage of those opportunities when they arise. But guys, if you're still accumulating the bear market, remember investing is a long-term game, and the profits are not going to roll around the corner the next week after you have invested. Give it some time. Investing is just like planting a seed. Yes, it might look as if it's dead in the ground, but after some time, it's going to germinate to bear a lot of fruits for you in the future. Kusama has rallied to as high as $38 in the last 1 month. It has also traded for as low as $28 in the last 1 month. Currently rank 130 on CoinMarketCap. More than 265,000 people have Kusama on their watch list. Kusama has a fully diluted market cap of $315 million. If you want to buy some Kusama in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next crypto bull run, you can do that on Binance, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on Coinbase Exchange, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your popular altcoin. Taking a look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, is still aggressively dumping to Goblin Town. That's to be expected. Kusama outperformed Bitcoin in a bull market. We saw it rally up by more than 12,000% against Bitcoin, which meant one Bitcoin invested in Kusama in January of 2020 would have returned more than 100 Bitcoins by May of 2021. All coins can pump to higher prices. All coins can make you accumulate more Bitcoin, but at the same time, all coins can make you lose all your Bitcoin when we get to the bear market. Kusama right now is down more than 91% against Bitcoin since when it got to all-time high in May of 2021. And there's no guarantees we'll go back to that all-time highs. We can easily continue dumping to Goblin Town against Bitcoin because we're still deep in the crypto bear market. And I told you guys earlier, all coins are volatile in the bear market, but we notice that in the bear market, all coins tend to dump to Goblin Town aggressively better than Bitcoin. If you take a look at what Bitcoin has done in this bear market, dumping from as high as $69,000, Bitcoin dumped to as low as $15,500. That means we saw Bitcoin lose more than 77% of its value in this bear market. But take a look at what Kusama did in this bear market. Kusama went from the all-time high of $616. Kusama dropped by more than 96%. So Kusama had a harsher dump in this bear market against Bitcoin, and that's why you're seeing a lot of people in the market flipping their Kusama back into Bitcoin. They're flipping their Kusama back into Ethereum. But guys, deep in the bear market, if you are willing to accumulate some Kusama, believing will pump to higher prices in the future, we can easily see Kusama continue rallying against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. If the altcoin market starts pumping just like the altcoin season index is telling us, I will not be shocked to see a 100 or a 200% pump to the upside for Kusama against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you take a look at Kusama's market cap, which has dropped to as low as $193 million in this bear market, we're currently stuck below that $500 million region. The last time Kusama tried to rally to higher prices, we got stopped out when the market cap got to that $400 million region. The next level I'll be watching for Kusama in the coming weeks and the coming days for its market cap will be to see if Kusama can rally to as high as $600 million for the first time since May of 2022. And best case scenario for Kusama, we might see the market cap head back to the $1 billion region. For that to happen, Kusama will have to pump by more than 273% to the upside. But we can easily see Kusama's market cap dumping back to the $100 million region. For that to happen also, Kusama will have to dump by 60% to the downside. But I believe we're closer to the bottom right now than we are to the top. So I'll favor Kusama pumping to higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks. If the altcoin season index is anything to go by, we should continue accumulating some Kusama right now in the bear market. So guys, these are key levels to watch out for Kusama. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think Kusama can rally above $100, maybe getting to as high as $120 in the coming days and the coming weeks? Or do you see us dumping back to Goblin Town? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2, 3.